Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Master Speak English. My name is Emma. Today, I will take you through my daily routine step by step. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me and practice your listening. While you listen, try to imagine my day as if you are with me. Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings, and at first, I don't want to leave my warm bed. But after a minute, I stretch my arms, sit up, and smile. A new day is starting. The first thing I do is go to the bathroom. There, I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water, and it helps me feel fresh. Sometimes, if I have enough time, I take a shower. The hot water makes me feel relaxed, and the steam warms up the room. I look in the mirror, brush my hair, and feel ready to start the day, and slowly open my eyes. After that, I go to the kitchen. Breakfast is very important to me. Most mornings, I eat toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I prepare cereal with milk or cut up some fresh fruit. I always drink a hot cup of tea, usually green tea. The warm drink makes me feel calm and gives me energy for the day. While eating, I sometimes listen to music, check messages from friends, or read the weather forecast. Once I finish breakfast, I go back to my room. I choose my clothes depending on the weather. On a normal day, I wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it's cold, I add a sweater and a scarf. I put on some light perfume, brush my hair again, and check my bag. I make sure I have my wallet, phone, and keys. Then I put on my shoes, take a deep breath, and leave the house. The bus stop is only a 5-minute walk from my home. On the way, I sometimes greet neighbors or notice the birds singing. At the stop, I usually see students with backpacks and workers with coffee in their hands. When the bus arrives, I step inside and look for a seat. If I find one, I sit near the window. During the ride, I like to watch people walking on the streets, cars moving quickly, and shops opening their doors. Sometimes I listen to a podcast to learn something new. When I arrive at work, I greet the security guard with a smile and take the elevator to the 3rd floor. My workday begins at 9 o'clock. First, I turn on my computer and check my emails. Then I look at my schedule and make a list of tasks. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. I write reports, answer phone calls, send messages to clients, and sometimes join meetings with my colleagues. And slowly, at 12:30, it's time for lunch. I usually bring food from home, maybe rice with vegetables, a sandwich, or some fruit. Sometimes I go outside to buy something small. I eat with my coworkers in the break room, and we talk about movies, news, or our weekend plans. After lunch, I drink water or tea, and then I feel ready to continue working. I finish work at 5 o'clock in the evening. I say goodbye to my colleagues, pack my bag, and take the elevator down. Outside, the air feels different, more relaxed than in the morning. I walk to the bus stop again and wait. The ride home takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes I just close my eyes and rest. Sometimes I listen to music. And other times I look outside the window and reflect on my day. When I arrive home, I change into comfortable clothes, usually sweatpants and a hoodie. I sit on the sofa for a short break, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. I stretch my legs and relax. Around 7 o'clock, I start preparing dinner. I like simple meals: pasta with tomato sauce, rice with vegetables, or a fresh salad. While cooking, I play soft music in the background. Cooking makes me feel peaceful. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I watch a movie or TV series. Other times I read a book or write in my journal. I also call my family or chat with friends on the phone. My evenings are usually quiet and simple, but I enjoy this peaceful time. At around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face with warm water, and use a little face cream. Then I put on my pajamas, soft blue pants, and a comfortable t-shirt. I tidy my room a little, fold my clothes, and prepare my bag for the next day. Before sleeping, I like to read a few pages of a book. It helps me relax and clear my mind. After reading, I turn off the lamp, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. I think about my day, what made me smile, what I learned, and what I can do better tomorrow. Then I whisper to myself, "Good night, Emma," and slowly I fall asleep.